Now, some of the problems on the calculation of pH of the solution. And first problem is calculate the pH of 10 power minus 3 molar HCl solution. First problem is calculate the pH of 10 power minus 3 molar HCl solution. First convert the molarity into normality. So the normality of any solution is equal to the molarity into Z. For HCl, value of Z is equal to 1. Because for HCl acid, basicity is equal to 1. Therefore, in 10 power minus 3 molar HCl solution, hydrogen ion active mass is equal to 10 power minus 3. Now, if you want to calculate its pH value, apply the formula pH is equal to minus log H plus ion. Minus log H plus ion. Therefore, pH is equal to minus log 10 power minus 3. Therefore, pH of the 10 power minus 3 molar HCl solution is equal to minus 3 into minus 1, that is 3. Log 10 to the base 10 is 1. Therefore, pH of the 10 power minus 3 molar HCl solution is equal to 3. So, while doing the problems in pH scale, students should remember some log values. Log 1 is equal to 0, log 2 is equal to 0.3010, similarly log 3 is equal to 0.4771, log 4 is equal to 0.6020, log 5 value is 0.6990, and log 6 is equal to 0.7781. Similarly, log 8 is equal to 0.9030, and log 9 value is 0.9542, and log 10 to the base 10 is equal to 1. That's why pH of the solution is equal to 3. So, better to remember log 1 to log 10 values while doing the problems in pH scale. And second one is calculate the pH of 0.02 molar sulfuric acid solution. Here, the normality of sulfuric acid solution is equal to molarity into 2, because for this acid basicity is equal to 2. Therefore, the normality of sulfuric acid solution is 0.02 into 2, that means 0.04. So, the H plus ion active mass is equal to 0.04, that is equal to 4 into 10 power minus 2. Now, pH is equal to minus log 4 into 10 power minus 2. So this is equal to minus 2 into minus 1, that is 2, minus log 4. So therefore pH of 0.02 molar sulfuric acid solution is equal to 2 minus 0.6020. Log 4 value is 0.6020. So therefore pH of this solution is equal to 1.3980. So first convert the molarity into normality. So the normality of any solution is equal to molarity into Z. For the given acid solution, the Z is equal to its basicity. For the given basic solution, Z is nothing but its acidity. So for HCl, value of Z is equal to 1. For sulfuric acid, value of Z is equal to 2. That means the sulfuric acid produces 2 H plus ions. That's why 10 power minus 2 into 2 into 2. 0.02 is nothing but 2 into 10 power minus 2. Sulfuric acid containing 2 H plus ions. That's why into 2. So 4 into 10 power minus 2. Hydrogen ion active mass is 4 into 10 power minus 2. Now apply pH is equal to minus log H plus, and pH of the solution is equal to 1.3980. So better to remember the log values from 1 to 10. Otherwise it is not possible to calculate pH of this type of solutions. Now the next problem is calculate the pH of 0.001 molar caustic soda solution. 0.001 molar NaOH solution. Here the normality of this solution is equal to molarity into 1, because for caustic soda solution acidity is equal to 1. Therefore OH minus ion active mass is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 3. Now POH is equal to minus log OH minus, this is equal to minus log 10 power minus 3. Therefore POH of the solution is equal to minus 3 into minus 1, 3. Log 10 to the base 10 is 1. So for this alkaline solution, POH is equal to 3. Now pH plus POH is equal to 14. Therefore for this basic solution pH value is 14 minus 3, that is equal to 11. So POH of this solution is 3 and pH of the solution is 11. Now in the next one it is 0.008 molar barium hydroxide solution. Here the value of Z is equal to 2, because in this basic solution there are 2 hydroxyl ions. So OH minus ion active mass is equal to 0.0008 into 2. In this there is only one OH, that's why into 1. But here there are 2 hydroxyl groups, that's why for this basic solution value of Z is equal to 2. So this is equal to OH minus ion active mass is equal to 0.0016. So this is nothing but 16 into 10 power minus 4. Now calculate POH minus log 16 into 10 power minus 4. This is equal to 4 minus log 16. So for log 16 characteristic value is 1 and logarithm value is 0.2041. So 4 minus 1 point for 16 0, logarithm value is 2041. So 4 1.2041, this is 9.597 and this is, so POH of this solution is equal to 2.7959. Therefore pH of this solution is equal to 14 minus 2.7959. So this is equal to 11.2041. So pH is equal to minus log H plus, POH is equal to minus log OH minus, pH plus POH is equal to 14. So if you calculate POH of the solution, it is possible to calculate pH of that same solution also. So for basic solutions, first calculate POH value and then 14 minus pH or 14 minus POH is equal to pH of the solution. Here very important point is normality of any solution is equal to, any solution means any basic or acidic solution is equal to molarity into Z. In the case of acids, Z is equal to its basicity. In the case of basic solution, the value of Z is equal to acidity. The next problem is calculate the pH of 10 power minus 8 molar HCl solution. So for this acid, H plus ion act to mass is equal to 10 power minus 8. Now apply pH is equal to minus log H plus. Therefore minus log 10 power minus 8. Therefore pH of the solution is 8. But according to pH scale, pH for an acid is less than 7. But here it is more than 7. That means it is very diluted solution. This is very diluted solution. So for very diluted solutions, add H plus ion act to mass in water also. Therefore, for very diluted solutions, H plus ion act to mass is equal to 10 power minus 8 plus 10 power minus 7. This is the act to mass of H plus in water, because this is very dilute solution. Whether it is base or acid, add 10 power minus 7 to very diluted solutions. So H plus ion act to mass is not equal to 10 power minus 8. It is equal to 10 power minus 8 plus 10 power minus 7. So this is equal to 10 power minus 7. Common factor is there. So 1 plus 1 by 10 or 1 plus 10 power minus 1. So this is equal to H plus ion act to mass is equal to 11 by 10. That means 1.1 into 10 power minus 7. Now calculate pH of this solution. Minus log H plus. This is equal to minus log 1.1 into 10 power minus 7. So pH of the solution is equal to 7 minus log 1.1. Now this is equal to 7 minus log 1.1 is equal to 0.4132. Therefore pH of this very diluted HCl solution is equal to 6.9586. 6.9586. So here very important point is add 10 power minus 7 from water. In water, H plus ion act to mass is 10 power minus 7. OH minus ion act to mass is also 10 power minus 7. So pH of 10 power minus 8 molar HCl solution is equal to 6.9586, but not 8. If pH is 8 means it is very diluted solution. That means solvent is more. Here the solvent is water. That's why add H plus ion act to mass of water, which is equal to 10 power minus 7. Now the next problem is pH of the solution is given, which is equal to 3.6. It is a fractional value. Now calculate hydronium ion active mass. That means H plus ion active mass. So pH is equal to minus log H plus. H3O plus ion active mass is nothing but H plus ion active mass. If it is an integer value, for example, if pH is equal to 3, now H plus ion active mass is equal to 10 power minus pH. That means 10 power minus 3. But here it is in fractional value. So here minus log H plus is equal to 3.6. Therefore, log H plus is equal to minus 3.6. Therefore, hydronium ion active mass is equal to anti-log of minus 3.6. But here both characteristic value and mantissa are in negative sign, but mantissa should not be in negative sign. That's why I convert this mantissa into positive sign by adding plus 1 and minus 1 to this value. That means anti-log of minus 3.6 indicate minus 3 minus 0.6. Add plus 1 and minus 1. Now this is minus 1 and this is plus 1. So this value becomes minus 1 and plus 1, 0. So this becomes anti-log of minus 3 minus 1 bar 4.1 minus 0.6. 1 minus 0.6, that is equal to 0.4 at 0.4. So this is minus of 3.6, but this is only characteristic value is in negative sign but not in mantissa. But here both characteristic value and mantissa are in negative sign. That's why by adding plus 1 and minus 1, convert this negative mantissa into positive. Here positive value is plus 0.4. Now therefore H plus ion active mass is equal to H plus ion active mass is equal to anti-log of 0.4 is equal to 2.512 into, this becomes 10 power minus 4. So this is the H plus ion active mass. So here the point is convert this into mantissa into positive value by adding minus 1 and plus 1 to this, and this becomes bar 4 and this becomes 1 minus 0.6. That means minus 0.6 becomes positive sign. It is 0.4. So antilog of 0.4 is equal to 2.512, and this one becomes 10 power minus 4. So up to now, from H plus ion active mass, if you know the H plus ion active mass, it is possible to calculate its pH value. From pH, it is possible to calculate the hydronium ion active mass also. H plus ion active mass is equal to 10 power minus pH. That means pH is equal to minus log H plus ion active mass. Now in this problem, calculate the pH of solution obtained by mixing 10 ml of 0.1 molar HCl and 40 ml of 0.2 molar sulfuric acid solution. Now for this HCl solution, normality is also equal to 0.1. For this sulfuric acid solution, normality is equal to 0.2 into 2, that is equal to 0.4. So the both are acids, that's why hydrogen ion active mass is equal to milli equivalents, that means 10 into 0.1 plus 40 into milli equivalents 0.4 divided by total volume. Total volume is equal to 50. Therefore, hydrogen ion active mass is equal to 1 by 10. So that is equal to 1. 4 by 10. So 4 into 4, 16 divided by, that is equal to 17 divided by 50. This is equal to 3.5 into 10 power minus 1. Therefore, pH of this solution is equal to minus log 3.5 into 10 power minus 1. So this is equal to 1 minus log 3.5. So therefore, pH of this solution is equal to 0.4685. So by mixing up of two solutions, apply rule of normality. V1N1 plus V2N2 divided by V is equal to total normality of the solution. So here total normality of the solution is equal to 17 by 50. That means 3.5 into 10 power minus 1. So pH of the solution of the mixture of these two HCl and sulfuric acid is equal to 0.4685. In the next problem, calculate the pH of solution obtained by mixing 40 ml of 0.2 molar nitric acid and 60 ml of 0.3 molar NaOH. Here the acid is nitric acid and the base is caustic soda, NaOH. In the case of an acid, milli equivalence of this acid is 40 into volume 40 ml into normality of nitric acid is 0.2 into 1. So this is equal to 40 into 2 by 10, that is equal to 8. So milli equivalence of nitric acid is equal to 8. Similarly, in the case of caustic soda, milli equivalence of this base is equal to volume into normal. Here volume is 60. In the case of caustic soda, molarity and normality is same like nitric acid. So 60 into 0.3, that is equal to 3 by 10. So 8. So in this problem, milli equivalence of base is more than the milli equivalence of an acid. That's why OH minus ion active mass is equal to milli equivalence of base minus milli equivalence of an acid divided by total volume. Here total volume is 40 plus 60, that is equal to. So in this problem, the number of milli equivalents of base is more when compared to number of milli equivalents of an acid. That's why the mixture of these two solutions shows more alkaline nature. That's why OH minus ion active mass is equal to 10 divided by 10 square. Therefore, OH minus ion active mass is equal to 10 power minus 1. Therefore, pOH of this solution is equal to minus log 10 power minus 1, that is equal to 1. For this mixture of these two solutions, solution shows more basic nature because of this reason. So pOH of the resultant solution is equal to 1. Therefore, pH plus pOH is equal to 14. Therefore, pH of this resultant solution is equal to 14 minus 1, that is equal to 13. So this is also very important problem. In this problem, pH of 0.1 molar solution of weak monoprotic acid, that means that acid containing only one H plus ion, is 4.0. So calculate its H plus ion active mass and Ka value. According to pH scale, pH is equal to minus log H plus to the base 10. Therefore, H plus ion active mass is equal to 10 power minus pH. So in this problem, pH is 4, that's why H plus ion active mass is 10 power minus 4. Now calculate Ka value. In the dissociation of weak acid according to law of chemical equilibrium. Ka is equal to C into alpha square. Ka is equal to C into alpha square. In this problem, the concentration of this weak monoprotic acid solution is 0.1. If you know the degree of ionization of this weak acid, now it is possible to calculate the Ka value. So, in the dissociation of weak acid, H plus ion active mass is equal to C into alpha. Therefore, degree of ionization or dissociation of weak acid is equal to H plus ion active mass divided by concentration of the solution. So this is equal to 10 power minus 4 divided by the concentration of this solution is 0.1. So the degree of ionization of this weak acid is equal to 10 power minus 3. 10 power minus 3. So very important point is in the ionization of weak acid, H3O plus ion active mass is C alpha. So H plus ion active mass is known to you. Concentration of the monoprotic acid, weak monoprotic acid is also known to you. Now the degree of ionization of this weak acid is 10 power minus 3, very less. So therefore the dissociation constant of weak acid is equal to C into alpha square. Here C is 10 power minus 1 into 10 power minus 3 whole square. So this is equal to 10 power minus 7. So in this problem, the dissociation constant of weak acid is equal to 10 power minus 7 because the degree of ionization of this weak acid is 10 power minus 3 and concentration of this weak monoprotic acid solution is 10 power minus 1. Now in this problem, calculate the pH of 0.002 molar ammonium hydroxide basic solution having 2.3% dissociation. Now in the dissociation of weak basic solution, OH minus ion active mass is also equal to C into alpha, where C is concentration of the weak basic solution. Here it is 0.002 into degree of dissociation of this weak base is 2.3%. That means 2.3 divided by 100. So this is equal to 2 into 2.3 into 10 power minus 3, 10 power minus 2, that is 10 power minus 5. So OH minus ion active mass is equal to 4.6 into 10 power minus 5. Now first calculate POH. POH is equal to minus log 4.6 into 10 power minus 1. POH is equal to 5 minus log 4.6. 5 minus log 4.6 is equal to 0.6627. So this is equal to 3, 7, 3, 3 and so this is equal to 4.337. Therefore, pH of this solution is equal to 14 minus 4.337. That is equal to approximately this value is 9.6627. 9.6627. So here degree of dissociation is given in percentage. That means 2.3 divided by 100 gives the alpha value. So calculate the POH value. pH plus POH is equal to 14. Therefore, pH of this solution is 9.6627. It is 9.6627.